Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Hmsa 24/7 online doctor visit app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Hmsa's online doctor visit service is designed to give users 24/7 access to licensed healthcare providers through secure virtual consultations. Built to support non-emergency medical needs, the app allows patients to connect with doctors anytime for issues like colds, flu symptoms, allergies, skin concerns, minor infections, and general medical advice. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports video consultations, prescriptions when appropriate, and follow-up care, all without visiting a clinic. The app's main feature is its on-demand virtual visit system, which connects you to a doctor through a live video call. You can describe your symptoms, get medical guidance, receive treatment recommendations, and in some cases, get prescriptions sent directly to your pharmacy. Hmsa also integrates with member insurance plans to reduce costs and simplify access to care. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the convenience of 24/7 doctor access, quick appointment availability, and the ability to get medical help from home. The service is especially helpful for busy individuals, elderly users, or those who prefer virtual care over in-person visits. The interface is simple, and the consults are typically efficient and professional. However, there are some drawbacks. Treatment is limited to non-emergency conditions, and doctors cannot perform physical examinations, which may restrict diagnosis accuracy in certain situations. Some users report occasional technical issues during video calls, and availability may vary based on region and provider schedules. Also, some services may not be fully covered depending on your insurance plan. In summary, the Hmsa online doctor visit app may be worth using if you want fast, convenient medical consultations, 24/7 access to licensed doctors, and the ability to receive basic treatment without leaving home. However, if you require in-person examinations, specialized care, or have an emergency condition, it might not be the right solution for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.